Okay, so we're going to do a pricing worksheet. This will help us indicate how much our total costs are, so then we can determine how much we are going to charge for our products. So the first thing we do, our section 1, approximate the number of items sold. Okay, so we're saying we're going to sell 100, we're going to have 100 customers per day. All right, and we're going to multiply that by 8. The reason we do that, there's 2 days in a weekend, and there's 4 weekends in a month. Okay. Now, your customers aren't going to buy every product you sell. So chances are they're not going to come up and buy a cheeseburger, hot dog, french fries, and soda. All right. Now, it's assuming you only have 4 products. You might even have a lot more. Again, they're not going to sell it, buy everything. So cheeseburger, I'm going to estimate every day I sell 25 cheeseburgers. All right. So by the end of the month, I'll sell 200. The way I figure that out, B7, there's B7 times 8. Okay. There's our 8. That gives us the 200. All right. Then we're going to keep going down. Now we're going to find the total of things we sold, total items. Okay. So we add all these guys together right here. So that was sum C7, C10. Okay. So that's why I highlighted those. All right. So we sold almost 2,000 items this month. Next, we're going to add our costs and our festival fees. All right, so I have a loan. I have to pay $160 a month, and every festival costs me $75. I'm going to 4 a month, so that's $300. I add them together, equals $460 a month. Okay, now this is where it gets a little interesting. So we're going to divide our cost of 460 by 1,960. All right, so this is $460. We're going to divide it up. That gives us a per item cost of 23 cents. Okay. Now, what we're going to do here in step 5 is we're going to add 23 cents to our original cost. So these are the costs that we added up before. So in other words, a cheeseburger is the roll, the patty, the ketchup, on all the other toppings. And let's say we got $1.67. So we're going to just add 23 cents to that. So now our costs are $1.90. Okay, same thing here. All right. Now we're going to determine our prices. Okay, I'll explain this in a second. So to determine our prices, it's $1.90. So it costs us $1.90 total. So we want to make sure that our prices are high enough that we are able to make a profit, okay, and get a decent amount of money, makes it worth going to a festival. All right, now I chose $6. Okay, and this isn't, I just typed in 6. All right. Things that would determine your prices is where you're going to be set up. Okay, you're going to be set up and there's going to be 40 other vendors and there's only 1,000 people at the event, or is there 1,000 people there and only 2 food vendors? Then you could probably raise your prices. All right. You also have to consider the item. All right, most people aren't going to pay $10 for a hot dog unless they're at an Eagles game or something. All right, french fries, soda. Okay, so you see the markup's a lot higher on the cheeseburger than it is on the soda. Okay, maybe you could make it higher. I'm also considering I want to deal with as little amount of change as possible. So I'm trying to keep even numbers. If I wanted to be in between, maybe I go to 50 or 25 cents, but I wouldn't make anything $3.36 because then I'd need a lot more pennies with me. Okay, and that's how you're going to do this. Okay, good.